And hello guys, this time let us add mixed numbers with unlike denominators. Okay, so let's proceed. Number 1, 2 and 2/3 plus 3 and 5 over 6. Okay, so first we're going to write the whole numbers. No? Let us add whole numbers by whole numbers, then fraction by fraction. Okay, so in this case po, that is 2 plus 3 plus, wherever the first fraction, which is 2/3, plus 5 over 6. Okay, so in this case po, let us add 2 plus 3, that is equal to 5. Okay, plus, so what is 2/3 plus 5 over 6, no? And so para mas maintindihan nyo po ito, no, isend ko na lang din po yung link sa description below, no, kung paano po mag-add ng dissimilar fractions. Okay, so first po, let us get the LCD. Tama. Okay, so let us find the least common denominator. Of course, first is kunin po muna natin yung least common multiple niya. Okay, ano po ba yung mga multiples po ng dalawang denominators na to, na itong 3 at saka nitong 6. Okay, so let us find the LCM ng 3 at saka ng 6. So start tayo sa 3. So ano po bang multiples ng 3? 3, 6, 9, 12, and so on and so forth. Okay? Ano naman ang multiples ng 6? 6, 12, 18, and so on and so forth. Yan. So, as you can see na po, para may dalawa pong numbers dito na magkapareho, tama? Pero ang hinahanap po natin na yung pinakamababa. Okay? Na magkapareho dito sa kanilang multiples. And that is 6. Yan po yung least common multiple po nila. Okay? So, gagamitin po natin yan as least common denominator. Okay? So, malala nyo po ba kung ano pong next process? Tama, no? Divide times lang po yun. Okay po? So, 6 divided by 3, that is 2, times 2, that is 4. Okay? Plus, 6 divided by 6 is 1, times 5 is equal to 5. Okay? Then after that, add the numerators 4 and 5. So 4 plus 5 is equal to 9 over 6. Yan. So as you can see, that is improper. Tama? So gagamitan natin siya ng long division para makuha natin yung mixed number niya, no? Yan. So 9 divided by 6. Yan. So, ilang 6 meron sa 9? Isa. 1 times 6 is 6. Subtract, that is 3. Okay po? So, that is equal to, ito pong nasa taas, that is our whole number. Yung nasa baba naman po, that is our numerator. At yung nasa divisor po natin, that is our denominator. Or just simply copy yung denominator natin. Okay? So, in this case po, yung 3 over 6 is not yet in its simplest form. Okay? So, kailangan natin siyang i-divide both by 3. Kasi yan po yung kanilang greatest common factor, no? So, divide both by 3. So, that is equal to 1 and this is 2. Tama. Okay? So, that is now equal to 1 and 1/2. Pero wag po kalimutan yung ating whole number dito. Okay? So, our whole number here, add natin dito sa whole number ng 1 and 1/2. So, that is equal to 5 plus 1. and 1/2. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6 and 1/2. So, yan po yung kanyang magiging sagot. Okay po? Okay, so try naman natin itong next example. Number 2, 5 and 3/4 plus 2 and 5/8. Okay, so first po, add natin yung whole numbers ulit. 5 plus 2 plus yung ating dissimilar fractions. Okay, yung dalawang fraction po natin. 3/4 plus 5/8. Okay, so itong whole numbers, madali na lang po. 5 plus 6 is equal to 7. Okay, plus, what is 3/4 plus 5/8? Okay, so una po, kunin natin yung kanilang LCD. Okay, paano kukunin? Siyempre, hanapin natin siya sa kanilang, hanapin natin ang kanilang LCM. Okay, so ano nga bang least common multiple nila, no? Yan, so sulat muna natin yung multiples ni 4 at yung multiples ni 8. Start tayo sa 4. 4, 8, 12, and so on and so forth. Ito naman, 8. Ayan. So, makikita nyo, no? Meron na pong magkapareho. Okay? So, ito po yung kanilang magiging least common denominator. Kasi ito po yung kanilang least common multiple. Okay? So, least, pinakamababa, common, magkapareho sa mga multiples. Okay? So, yan po yung gagamitin natin as least common denominator. Okay? So, after po nyan, divide times lang po ulit tayo, no? 8 divided by 4 is 2 times 3 is 6 plus 8 divided by 8 is 1 times 5 is 5. Okay? Add lang po yung numerators. That is 6 plus 5 is equal to 11/8. Yun, nakikita nyo, no? Improper fraction po siya. So, gagamitan natin siya ng long division para makuha yung mixed number, no? So, 11 divided by 8. Ilang 8 meron sa 11? Isa. 1 times 8 is 8. Subtract, that is 3. Okay? So, yung 1 po sa taas, yan po yung ating whole number. Yung 3 po dito sa baba, yan po yung ating numerator. Then, copy lang po yung denominator na 8. Okay? So, wag kalimutan, yung whole numbers po i-add sa una nating whole number, no? Yan. So, 7 plus 1 and 3, 8. Sorry, ito po ay 1. Yan. Okay, 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. Then, copy the fraction 3/8. So, that is 8 and 3/8. Okay? So, kung clear na po yan, pwede ba natin i-try itong dalawang items na to? At paki-type nga po sa chat box ang inyong magiging sagot. Yan. So, if you do consider this video, please subscribe naman po for more videos. Okay? That's all po. Bye.